What's going on, folks? I hope all of you are doing great. You are watching Superior Firearm, your ultimate guide to the world of firearms, reviews, and expert tips. We believe that quality doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. Did you know that you can purchase a reliable weapon for under $200 that rivals firearms costing over $1,000? While many gun enthusiasts focus on high-end, expensive models, there's a hidden world of budget-friendly firearms that deliver exceptional performance, durability, and accuracy at a fraction of the cost. Let's dive into the best options available in the market for those looking to get the most value for their money. From handguns and rifles to budget-friendly self-defense and concealed carry choices, we'll explore weapons that punch well above their price range. Whether you're a first-time buyer or an experienced shooter, Superior Firearm is here to show you how to make smart, affordable decisions when it comes to your firearms collection. Join us for in-depth reviews, shooting tests, and tips on maximizing your firearm experience without the premium price tag. So let's start with Canik TEP9 Elite SC. If you're searching for the best budget handguns, Canik is a name you'll find popping up time and time again, and for good reason. I had the chance to shoot the TEP9 Elite SC around $199 before adding it to this list, and let me tell you, it stands out. This isn't your typical micro-compact. This is a true subcompact, and it's a game changer. Think of it like the Glock 26 in terms of size, not quite as small as the P365, but still sleek and highly concealable. What sets the TEP9 Elite South Carolina apart? Its extra girth isn't a downside, it actually makes it feel more substantial in your hand. Sure, micro-compacts are easy to carry, but sometimes that ultra-thin profile doesn't offer the best shooting experience. With the TEP9 Elite South Carolina's slightly thicker frame, it's much easier to grip, making it a lot more comfortable to handle during firing. And don't let the size fool you, this subcompact packs a punch. With a 12-round standard capacity and an optional 15-round extended magazine, you've got plenty of firepower in a small package. Plus, it's optics-ready, using the Shield Arm-esque micro footprint, and comes with 2 interchangeable backstraps for a customizable fit. Here's the kicker. The trigger is absolutely incredible. Breaking crisply around 3.5 pounds with a short and tactile reset, it's hands down one of the best triggers in its class. For such a compact gun, the TEP9 Elite South Carolina is surprisingly accurate and a ton of fun to shoot. So whether you're looking for something reliable for self-defense or just a fun, affordable option, the TEP9 Elite South Carolina doesn't disappoint. It's got the performance and comfort of a much pricier firearm without breaking the bank. Second one on the list is Mossberg Maverick 88. The Mossberg Maverick 88 is the budget-friendly hero of the pump-action shotgun world. Think of it as the everyman of shotguns. Most models are in 12 gauge, but there's also a youth model in 20 gauge, because even the little ones deserve a piece of the action. Sharing many features with the Mossberg 500 series, but at a wallet-happy price, it's the shotgun equivalent of getting a luxury car without the luxury car price tag. The 12 gauge version is compatible with both 2 3/4 and 3 shells, which is a pretty nice perk when you're deciding how much boom you need for your buck. In Canada, it'll set you back around $300, while in the US, you're looking at about $240. Out here in my neck of the woods, the 28-barrel version with interchangeable chokes is the crowd favorite, especially if you're into hunting. Which, let's be real, who doesn't love the idea of being out in nature with a shotgun? The 18.5 security version is the go-to for home defense, and there are combo packs that come with both, so you can be prepared for whatever life or a rogue squirrel throws at you. If you're serious about hunting, I highly recommend grabbing the interchangeable choke version. The camo version is also available for those who like to blend in with nature or just want to look cool while they're at it. Plus, it's pretty inexpensive, so you won't have to mortgage your house for a camo-clad piece of gear. As for capacity, most models hold 5 shells in the tube, plus 1 in the chamber. But if you're an avid waterfowl hunter, no worries, just pop in a removable plug to reduce the capacity to 2, keeping things legal. For those of you who need to stock up on shells, there are security models that hold 7 in the tube. But plot twist magazine tube extensions are a no-go, as the barrel screws into the end of the tube. If you want more capacity, you're looking at either buying a new barrel and matching tube or just grabbing a whole new shotgun. But hey, why not treat yourself, right? Since the Maverick is all about keeping your wallet happy, it's built to match that price tag. The rear sling stud? Yep, it's plastic molded right into the stock like it's just there to get by. If you want a front sling stud, though, you'll need to buy one separately. So don't forget that little detail when you're planning your next hunting trip. My 28 barrel version came with one AQI choke and modified, because why not start off at least a little bit fancy? Extra chokes are reasonably priced, coming in at about $35 each, which is a small price to pay for a shotgun, whether that's shooting clay pigeons or proving you're the undisputed king of the woods. Third and last one on the list is the Glock 19 Gen 5. The first and best reason to consider the Glock 19 is simple. It's a Glock 19. Hands down, one of the most iconic handguns ever made, and arguably the best all-purpose pistol out there. It strikes that perfect balance. It's big enough to serve as a reliable duty gun with functional accuracy and a respectable magazine capacity, but it's also small and light enough to conceal comfortably for everyday carry. It's like the Swiss Army knife of handguns, ready for whatever you throw at her. And let's not forget the Glock's legendary reputation for reliability. I've personally run over 100,000 rounds through both Gen 3 and Gen 4 models, and the only malfunctions I've had were thanks to faulty non-Glock parts or a Code job that went terribly wrong. When you're rocking stock parts, you're pretty much guaranteed a near-perfect shooting experience, even when the conditions are less than ideal, rain, mud, or that time you dropped it in the desert at a BQ. Now, if you're considering the Gen 5, there are a couple of solid reasons to pull the trigger on this updated version. For one, the slide lock lever is now ambidextrous, so if you're a lefty, you can switch the mag release to the right side and have yourself a fully left-handed pistol. It's like Glock suddenly said, hey, let's make things easier for everyone. Also, for those who love the Glock but hate the finger grooves, we know you're out there. The Gen 5 has a flat front strap grip, no customization needed. It's all about comfort and function with this one. There you have it, our top 3 best guns under $200. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, these budget-friendly options prove you don't have to break the bank to get reliable performance. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how well you use it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us your favorite budget gun. And as always, stay safe, stay sharp, and happy shooting. See you in the next one.